Hello, in this video, we will present a case study, deck of cards. The problem is to write a program that picks 4 cards randomly from a deck of 52 cards. So this is the randomly picked 4 cards. You click this button, another 4 cards, another random 4 cards. We're going to write a program. Eventually, we'll be able to write a GUI program for this problem. For now, we're going to write a non-GUI program. We just simply let the program display the cards on the console. So we need to represent all the cards using a list, and there are 52 cards. We're going to number the cards from 0 to 51. So using this is the list comprehension, and now X for X in range 52. So that's the numbers from 0 to 51 in the deck. Or you can use another syntax here, is using this to construct a list, and the list from a sequence. This is also fine. So now we have 0 to 51, and that's 52 cards, and they're divided into 4 suits. So this is spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. So please note that this first 13 numbers, 0 to 12, that's for spades, and the next 13 numbers for hearts, and then the last 13 numbers for clubs. And this is how you determine whether a number is one of these 4 suits. It is the card number divided by 13, integer division. If it's 0, that's spades. If it's a 3, that's clubs. Now, how do you know which card you use this remainder 13? So for 0 is S, and for 11 is queen, and 12 is king. So now, for these numbers we have in the deck, we're going to randomly shuffle it. So this is what we have. Now pick the first 4 numbers. Here, 6, 48, 11, 24. So what is 6? 6 is here in the spades. And what is the card number? That is 7. Because look, this 0 is S and 1 is 2. So the 6 is 7. So we're going to write this program now. We have this deck, and now using this list for this suits name, spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs, and using this list for the ranks, S, 2, 3, and the last one is king. Now we're going to do the random shuffle. So shuffle the deck randomly here, and this import the random module. And now we're going to pick the first 4. So the first 4 is right here. So this is the first 4. And I is in range 4. So deck brackets I remainder 13. So that gives you the suit. So that is suit. If it's 0, so that's spades. If that's 1, that's hearts. And then get the rank. Rank is here, remainder 13. So if there's 0, that's S. So now you can print this. What is the 4 cards. So this is 4 cards. For each card, the first 4 cards, among the first 4 cards, you're going to print the rank and suit. So let's look at the live example. And here, this is how you determine the suit. It is the deck brackets I, integer division by 13. So that is for you have which suit. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So that it corresponds to the index 0, 1, 2, 3 for the suits. For the ranks, that is deck, brackets I, remainder the team. That is all for this case study on deck of cards. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.